In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a red arrow in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or social media post, adding a red arrow can help emphasize important points or direct viewer attention. So let's get started. First, open up Canva and navigate to your design. This could be an existing project or a new one you're starting. Look to the left panel of your Canva workspace, where you'll find various options like templates, uploads, and yes, elements. Click on the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a myriad of graphic resources, including shapes, lines, and of course arrows. Once you've clicked on Elements, move over to the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in the keyword arrow. Press enter or click the search icon and you will see a range of arrow graphics. With so many choices, you can select an arrow shape that best fits the style of your design. There are options ranging from sleek and minimalistic to fun and creative. Click on the arrow of your choice to add it to your design canvas. Now that your arrow is in place, it's time to customize its color. You want your arrow to stand out, so let's make it red. First, ensure that the arrow is selected. You should see it highlighted with bounding boxes. Then look at the top of your Canva workspace where you'll find a colored square icon. This is the color tool. Click on this icon and you'll see a palette of colors appear. To select the color red, simply locate it in the palette. Canva also allows you to play around with shades, so you can choose something that's vibrant or more muted depending on your design needs. Click on the red shade of your choice and you'll see the arrow on your canvas update instantly to reflect this new color. And there you have it, you've successfully added a red arrow to your Canva design. If you need to reposition the arrow, just click and drag it to your desired spot on the canvas. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the bounding box to adjust the dimensions as you see fit. Before wrapping up, a few tips. Always keep in mind the overall balance and composition of your design. Arrows can be powerful directional tools, so make sure they're pointing your audience exactly where you want them to look. Also, if red doesn't fit your design aesthetic in the future, don't hesitate to experiment with other colors. Canva is all about flexibility and creativity, so make it work for you. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to effectively add and use a red arrow in Canva. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing.